Welcome to Tree Toy Trump Toy. Today we're diving into the core of health and longevity: cellular renewal. While many chase anti-aging creams and supplements, the real secret is within you, a process called autophagy, or self-eating. Autophagy is your body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and making room for new, healthy ones. When this process is active, it protects against age-related diseases and keeps your systems running smoothly. The question is, how do you trigger it? Dr. Mindy Pelz has spent her career uncovering how daily habits, especially diet, can activate this powerful repair mechanism. Today, we'll explore 6 accessible foods that can help switch on autophagy. These aren't exotic superfoods, but simple additions to your diet that can unlock your body's own fountain of youth. Let's begin our journey into the science of self-healing. First up is green tea, a centuries-old beverage celebrated for its health benefits. The magic lies in its catechins, especially EGCG, which act as signaling molecules for your cells. When you drink green tea, especially while fasting, EGCG gently stresses your cells, nudging them to clean up and repair. This process is called hormesis, and it's key to triggering autophagy. EGCG activates the AMPK pathway, mimicking the effects of fasting and signaling your body to start cellular cleanup. Green tea also boosts fat burning and reduces inflammation, creating an environment where your cells can thrive. For best results, drink 1 to 3 cups of high-quality green tea or matcha during your fasting window. Matcha is especially potent since you consume the whole leaf. Think of green tea as a foreman, directing your body's cleanup crew. You don't need gallons. Just a few cups daily can make a difference. The beauty is in its simplicity, a natural plant compound working in harmony with your biology. These catechins are more than nutrients. They're instructions for your body to repair and renew. By making green tea a habit, you're actively supporting your cellular health. It's an easy, effective step toward harnessing autophagy for a longer, healthier life. Choose quality over quantity, and let your body do the rest. Remember, it's not about forcing change, but facilitating your body's natural intelligence. Green tea is a simple, powerful way to start. Make it part of your daily ritual. Your cells will thank you. Let's move to the next autophagy-activating food, black coffee. Next is black coffee, a morning ritual for many and a potent autophagy booster when consumed right. The key: keep it black. No sugar, milk, or sweeteners, as these halt autophagy by spiking insulin. Black coffee, with virtually no calories, keeps your body in a fasted, repair-focused state. Caffeine is the star here, acting as a signaling molecule that stimulates autophagy in the liver, muscles, and brain. It works by inhibiting mTOR, the pathway that tells cells to stop cleaning and start growing. During fasting, black coffee amplifies your body's natural cleanup, making the process more effective. Coffee is also rich in polyphenols like chlorogenic acid, which fight oxidative stress and support cellular repair. Quality matters. Choose organic, high-quality beans, and opt for lighter roasts to maximize polyphenol content. Drink 1 to 2 cups during your fasting window for best results. This not only helps you push through hunger, but also deepens the benefits of your fast. Coffee's benefits extend to the brain, where it helps clear out misfolded proteins linked to neurodegenerative diseases. It's more than a wake-up call, it's a tool for deep repair. Use caffeine strategically, not excessively. If you feel jittery, adjust your intake. For most, black coffee is a perfect complement to an autophagy-focused lifestyle. It's a simple habit with powerful effects. Let's move from drinks to foods, starting with the janitors of your body. Cruciferous vegetables are up next. They're more than just greens, they're cellular cleaners. Let's see how they work. Scene 4, cruciferous vegetables. Now we move from beverages to solid foods. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, kale, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, are nutritional powerhouses. Their secret weapon is sulforaphane, a compound formed when you chop or chew these veggies. Sulforaphane activates the NRF2 pathway, your body's master switch for detoxification and antioxidant defense. This triggers hundreds of protective genes, supporting autophagy and reducing inflammation. Think of sulforaphane as both the janitor and the trash collector, cleaning up and packaging waste for removal. Unlike fasting, these veggies can boost autophagy even when you're eating. Preparation matters. Chew raw, lightly steam, or add broccoli sprouts for a concentrated dose. Broccoli sprouts are especially potent, with up to 100 times more sulforaphane than mature broccoli. The fiber in these vegetables also feeds your gut microbiome, reducing inflammation and supporting cellular repair. Consistency is key. Add kale to smoothies, steam broccoli, or make cabbage salads regularly. The cumulative effect is a cleaner, more resilient system. You're not just eating greens, you're activating ancient detox pathways and building a youthful internal environment. Make cruciferous veggies a daily habit for long-term health. They're simple, accessible, and incredibly effective. Next, let's spice things up with turmeric. Turmeric is more than a flavor, it's a cellular tonic. Let's explore how it works. Let's move into the spice rack and discuss a golden-hued root that has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years, turmeric. Its primary active compound, curcumin, is one of the most studied natural molecules on the planet, and for good reason. Its benefits are vast, but for our purposes we will focus on its remarkable ability to influence autophagy and cellular health. Curcumin's most celebrated property is its potent anti-inflammatory effect. It works by blocking a molecule called NF-kappa B, which is a master switch for inflammation in the body. As we've discussed, chronic, low-grade inflammation is a silent enemy of longevity. It creates a state of constant cellular stress that inhibits repair processes like autophagy. Turmeric's power comes from curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and autophagy activator. Curcumin blocks NF-kappa B, reducing inflammation and creating an environment where your cells can repair. It also directly stimulates autophagy, helping your cells break down and recycle damaged proteins. This is especially important for brain health, as curcumin helps clear protein aggregates linked to Alzheimer's. The challenge: curcumin isn't easily absorbed. The solution: add black pepper, which contains piperine, boosting absorption by up to 2,000%. Consuming turmeric with healthy fats like olive oil or coconut oil also enhances absorption. Make turmeric a daily habit. Add it to smoothies, lattes, roasted veggies, or curries. Small, consistent doses are more effective than occasional large ones. Curcumin acts as a daily tonic, quietly supporting your body's repair and renewal. In a world full of inflammatory triggers, turmeric is a natural counterbalance. Combine it with black pepper for maximum effect. This ancient spice is a modern solution for cellular health. Let's move to another Mediterranean staple: extra virgin olive oil. EVOO is more than a fat, it's a cellular communicator. Here's how it works. Scene 6, extra virgin olive oil. Our next autophagy-boosting food is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, a region renowned for the health and longevity of its people. Extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, is a cornerstone of longevity thanks to its polyphenols, especially oleuropein. These compounds activate AMPK and inhibit mTOR, the key switches for autophagy. EVOO can mimic fasting signals, encouraging your cells to keep cleaning even during meals. It's a strategic way to maintain cellular maintenance throughout the day. EVOO is rich in oleic acid, a healthy fat that builds strong cell membranes and supports nutrient transport. For maximum benefit, use EVOO raw, drizzle on salads, veggies, or as a finishing oil. Avoid high-heat cooking, which destroys its delicate polyphenols. Choose extra virgin, cold-pressed oil in a dark glass bottle for freshness and potency. A peppery or slightly bitter taste signals high polyphenol content. EVOO acts like a premium engine cleaner and lubricant for your cells. This is why the Mediterranean diet is so effective for health and longevity. By switching to raw EVOO, you're upgrading your cellular health. It's more than energy, it's a signal for renewal. Make EVOO a daily habit for profound benefits. Now let's satisfy your sweet tooth with a food that's as delicious as it is powerful: berries. Berries are more than a treat, they're brain boosters. Let's see why. Scene 7, the brain-boosting berries. For our final food, we're turning to something that can satisfy a sweet craving while simultaneously triggering repair: berries. This category includes blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries. Berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful polyphenols that cross the blood-brain barrier. These compounds trigger neuroautophagy, helping your brain clear out waste and protect against cognitive decline. Berries also contain pterostilbene, especially in blueberries, which improves memory and reduces brain inflammation. They're the perfect food to break a fast, low glycemic, nutrient-dense, and packed with fiber. The fiber feeds your gut microbiome, supporting the gut-brain axis and reducing neuroinflammation. Add berries to smoothies, yogurt, or enjoy as a snack. Choose organic when possible, especially for strawberries. Frozen berries are just as nutritious as fresh. Berries feel like a treat, but they're working hard to protect your brain and support cellular cleanup. Their vibrant colors signal potent medicine inside. By eating berries, you're investing in your mind's long-term health. Food is information. Let berries send the right signals. Now, let's wrap up with a few final thoughts on bringing these habits into your life. Scene 8. Life in your years. As we've explored today, the power to rejuvenate your body at a cellular level is not found in an expensive cream or a complex medical procedure. It is an innate intelligence programmed into your very biology. The 6 foods we've discussed, green tea, black coffee, cruciferous vegetables, turmeric, olive oil, and berries, are not magic pills. They are facilitators. The real secret to longevity is activating your body's natural repair systems. The 6 foods we covered are simple keys to unlock autophagy and cellular renewal. No supplement or doctor can replace what your body does naturally. Start small, skip late-night snacks, swap sugary drinks for green tea or black coffee, add veggies and berries to your meals. Consistency creates a ripple effect, shifting your body from inflammation to repair. At Tree Tue Trum Toy, we empower you to become the architect of your own health. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Join our community dedicated to living with vitality and purpose. Longevity isn't just about more years, it's about more life in your years. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the science of self-healing.